This is a story about a dog. My dog, Pepper. She's the best dog in the whole world. She's not just special, she's a part of the family. Oh, by the way, that's me. My name is Edison. Some people say she's spoiled, but I think we just take really good care of her. I think my dog has a pretty easy life. I mean, she doesn't have to go to school or do homework or even clean her room. I wonder, what does she do all day? I'm liking this. All gone. Time to lay down. Can I get some alone time now? Please? Ooh, door. Someone's at the door. Hey! It's Scooter, my best buddy. What are we doing today, Scooter? Where did he go? I thought we had a play date today. He's not over here. Oh well. I'm going back in. Hello? Anybody? About time. I'm gonna dig me up myself a bone. I think I left one back there. Somewhere. There's nothing in here. Anybody? Where am I? I'm out of here. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Finally. So thirsty. I'm tired. Boy, what a day. I'm beat. I wonder, what do humans do all day?
Pepper!